Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here at Target here. We can compare the Rampage Distortus Rex is back on the shelf at Target. It's $53.99 compared to the Power Devour T-Rex is $56.99. Also, we got another $53.99. The Real Feel T-Rex is also $53.99, and the electronic Real Feel Indominus Rex is also $53.99. Which one is the best? So far, this is my favorite. It's finally back on the shelf at Target here. $53.99. There's the D-Rex, Distortus Rex, Rumble and Rampage. This is my #1 Jurassic World Toy Hunt must buy. It's finally back on the shelf here. #2 is going to be my Power Devour T-Rex. Comparison to the size and length of this, the T-Rex is a little bit longer than the D-Rex. You can see it right here by the height wise. It's a little bit taller and longer, I say, by maybe, let me compare it and see. This is a better view. Here's a better view. See it? Look at the view here. See the tail there to that tail, and the head here. So I say it's about ½ an inch longer on the tail wise, and the T-Rex is ½ an inch taller too. So this is #1 for my choice, the D-Rex. #2 is the Power Devour T-Rex. #3 will be a Indominus Rex here. They're all $53.99 except for Power Devour is $56.99. But if you buy this online, it'd be $53.99. And the last one is the T-Rex Real Feel. This is at least 2 years old, so I would not buy this. This is my last choice here. This is my third choice. I would not buy this two at $53. These two are too overpriced, my opinion. The Indominus Rex and the Real Feel here. But don't forget, this week, 50% off the THERIZINOSAURUS. There was 5, now there's only 2 left here. $31.49 to $15.74 here. So a must buy at Target. Buy this week. Don't forget to also Jurassic World Rebirth, the MOSASAURUS, Super Colossal MOSASAURUS is $49.99, $25 savings. Usually be $74.99 here. And also the T-Rex too, the Super Colossal T-Rex is also $49.99, about $25 off. But also the MOSASAURUS Bite and Blast is still $41.49. You got Dolores Aqualops is still $31.99. We got the Launch and Battle Vehicle Set with the Velociraptors, $37.99. Also the Spinosaurus Danger Pack here is also $37.99. Here's a tag for the Spinosaurus Danger Pack here. And we also have the Jurassic World Mask, $36.49. So Halloween is coming up. Jurassic World Rebirth Tyrannosaurus mask here. We also got a track and attack Indoraptor. And we got the Velociraptor mask at $17.99. And don't forget these Ankylosaurus. I just want to say it's $15.49. Let me see the lowest price. It usually be $17.49. Let's go check, make sure this price is lower. The Wild World, they were at one time $15.49. They should stay the same price. Let's go check, make sure. Yep, it's lower now again. So it's $15.49. So Target did a good job in lowering the price again. Same price as before. They raise it up for maybe a couple of weeks and they'll lower it back again. So buy these Wild World at Target only, because they're $15.49. Used to be $17.49. Like I said, they got the Masora, and my favorite here, Ankylosaurus. There's the Ankylosaurus on the front view, what it looked like. It's $15.49 here at Target. It's a must buy. And don't forget, they also have this Jurassic World Rebirth here, Aquachomp MOSASAURUS. This is $49.99. $49.99. Sorry, let's try this again. There it is. It's $49.99 for this Aqua Chomp MOSASAURUS here, with all the flapper and the noise, of course, the detail here. They also got the Jurassic World KR Theory still here. It's $32.99, the minis. And they got the Jurassic World KR Theory, Darius and Baryonyx here too. So, and we also, don't forget the Primal hats, $64.99. Let's recap again. Top 4 prices for the Jurassic World figure is the D-Rex, off at $3.99. Distortus Rex, Power Devour T-Rex, of course. Indominus Rex is 3rd. And the real feel is last. And last chance for this end of this month is the Super Colossal MOSASAURUS and T-Rex, $49.99 here. Only at Target. You can buy this at $49.99 here at Walmart, the T-Rex, but you cannot get the MOSASAURUS for some reason. And last chance, must buy the Slash and Roar THERIZINOSAURUS, $15.74, only at Target. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.